Are you tired of boiled eggs that are either overcooked or undercooked? Introducing the Tesslux electric rapid egg cooker, your perfect egg cooking assistant. This multifunctional kitchen tool allows you to prepare hard-boiled, poached, scrambled eggs, or fluffy omelets, all in one compact unit. With a capacity to cook up to 6 eggs at a time, it's perfect for family gatherings or meal prep. The intelligent touch control and digital display enable precise timing and temperature adjustments, ensuring perfect results every time. Whether you love soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, this cooker takes the guesswork out of the process. Its compact design, measuring just 6.3 x 5.3 x 8.3 inches, makes it suitable for any kitchen, dorm, or RV. It's also made with premium, BPA-free materials, ensuring safety for all your cooking needs. Cleanup is a breeze. The removable parts are easy to take apart and clean, keeping your kitchen tidy and hygienic. Plus, the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel housing ensures your egg cooker looks great, even after frequent use. And if you ever have questions, you'll benefit from a 1-year warranty and reliable customer support. Don't compromise on your egg cooking experience. Get your Tesslux electric rapid egg cooker today and enjoy perfectly cooked eggs every time. Check it out now.